Good morning, YouTube family. We made it. After 1 month on the road, we made it to our summer job at Hart Ranch in Rapid City, South Dakota. And I'm glad to be parked.
You know that's the truth. No more driving.
Yeah. So we had a good time, in our month adventure. But I'm ready to be parked for a little while and work. We're excited about this job. So we're going to be working at the restaurant here at Hart Ranch. So we met the owner of the restaurant a couple of days ago. So we still have another
couple of weeks,
about a week and a half before we actually start working. So now we're just sitting around and relaxing a little bit. But update on the roof. We heard from Geico yesterday, and they will cover the roof. So we're going to pay our deductible, and then they're going to send out RV Armor, which is who I got the estimate through, and Geico approved for RV Armor to come out and do a complete tear off and complete rebuild of the roof. So that's exciting.
That's very exciting.
We were kind of worried about that one. We were afraid that they would not pay for the RV Armor and would want a certain place to do it and would have to move out for a few days.
Or that they wouldn't do it and wanted to total the RV. And, I mean, worst case scenario for everything.
Yeah, we had a couple concerns. So needless to say, you can understand how happy we were when we got the call from Geico yesterday saying, hey, we're going to cut you a check for RV Armor to put you a new roof on. So one less thing to worry about. Let's see what else is going on. This video is going to go up before it, but I found the lost footage of Kansas City. Didn't know where that footage was at for a little bit, but we found it. So that video is going to be coming up here shortly. It's about almost 2 weeks behind. So,
but there's a lot of footage.
Yeah. So that one's going to come up a little late. That happened about 2 weeks ago. Today is April 3rd. No, May 3rd.
May 3rd.
May 3rd. So you should see this one today. So this should be up to date for you. Kansas City, you're going to see after this, which is about 2 weeks prior to this, so a little behind.
About a week prior, yeah. A week and a half.
And then we're going to start showing you around South Dakota, Custer Park, Mount Rushmore. There's tons to see around here. And also, the work camping job. So we're here. We're finally at our first work camping job. So we're going to shoot video of the restaurant that we're working in, the resort that we're staying in. We're going to do, video of the grounds, the restaurant, what we're doing, how much we're enjoying it or not enjoying it, whichever. And so we're going to show you everything, show you how we got this job.
As long as we're not breaking down, we're enjoying it.
Yeah, exactly. I think as long as we're parked, we're good.
Yeah.
But once we get back on the road after this job, at least, we got a new roof. Mm-hmm. The engine's running good. Mm-hmm. 4 new tires.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Should be pretty good for a little bit.
Lord.
I'm sure there's other things going to go wrong, we know. But we just deal with them.
I think the expensive stuff should be done, though.
I would hope so. I really, really hope so.
I mean, knock on wood, I don't.
Yeah, I don't know, unless we start having major engine problems. But we're not going to think like that. So we're going to say our next trip is going to be good. But we're here for 4.5 months, so we're here through September 15th, right?
That's our last day of work,
yeah,
15th. Last
day of work is September 15th. So what you can expect from us for the next few months is, while we're working, we're going to be shooting videos of the work camp job itself. You can expect your weekly in the RV kitchen. We're going to keep doing that once a week.
Hopefully.
We have to nail down exactly what day we're going to load this over.
Y'all let us know what day y'all want us to upload a cooking video, and that'll give us a better idea of when we want to. Yeah, I have to create
we have to create a schedule. We're not doing too good at having a schedule of our videos. We kind of just randomly put videos up. But I want to get it to where, one day a week we're doing the RV kitchen video, and it goes up the same day every week. And also one day a week doing either the work camping video or the for sightseeing. Yeah, basically a day in the life of a work camper. So we'll shoot that. We'll cut that back to 1 a week for the day in the life of, and then one a week for the RV kitchen.
And the day in the life of it'll be like a combination of things throughout the week. But...
Right. Yeah. So we'll kind of just collect some footage throughout the week. When we're not working, you know, we pump out 2 or 3 videos a week. I'm assuming when we are working, we're going to cut back to 1 a week, or 2, you know, 1 cooking and 1 in the life of. So I think that's the schedule we're going to go with. If you have any suggestions on that, if you want more than 1 video a week, let us know. You know, I'll do my best to get as much footage as we can. But keep in mind, you know, we are going to be working a 40-hour-a-week job. We're going to have 2, maybe 3 days off a week, depending on what the hours are. So the 2 or 3 days off is whenever we're going to shoot our adventure videos. And then while we're working, we're going to shoot a little bit of what we do while we're working. So we're not going to be able to capture much of that, I'm sure. We're going to be kind of busy working, but we'll play it by ear and see how it goes. What else we got?
Our life is pretty much boring now.
We're
parked. Nothing interesting is going to happen.
Yeah, right. I'm sure it's going to be interesting. So honestly, you know, we can't wait to get to work. That's our biggest thing. Is I love the restaurant industry. It's been 15 years.
Right about,
no,
no,
not
2004. So yeah, about 14 years.
14 years since I've been in the restaurant business. So I'm looking forward to getting back into it. I miss it a lot, so we're gonna enjoy that part of it. And then we got some different jobs coming up down the road. But
well, you can do a video too on the roof repair.
Yeah. So if
I'm
not working, when RV Armor gets here and starts working on the roof, it's going to be a 2 to 3 day process because they have to rip off the old roof, redo the wood, and then start installing the new roof. So they say it's going to be a 2 or 3 day process. I'm going to try to record as much of that as possible without getting in their way up on the roof. Or, you know, if I'm working, then I won't be able to record it if we're working, but we'll have to see what happens with that. What else?
That's about all. I found a new coffee company. Gotta get some more coffee.
What coffee company?
Black Hills.
Black Hills Coffee Company.
Yeah.
She always finds the coffee companies everywhere as we go. But, oh, and the dogs. Where's the dogs? The dogs are
Gizmo's
doing great.
under our butts, and Gadget is over there in the grass.
Yep. Gadget's chilling out in the grass where it's cool. Gizmo's sitting under us, under the picnic table. But they're doing good. They're starting to settle in.
We left them out of the crate all day yesterday while we went out, and they did so good.
Yes. So which was one of our big concerns when we started traveling with pets and had never done it before. Well, there were 2 concerns that I had. One was how would they do out the crate in a small space because, you know, separation anxiety, or are they going to tear stuff up, or are they going to poop all over the place, and Gizmo's tummy the way it is. Another concern I had was, you know, are they going to bark a lot once we're getting like this in an RV park setting? You know, are they going to bark a lot at the neighbors? You know, so we had all these concerns. So far we found out we leave the TV or music on for them whenever we're gone, and that noise cancels out the noise they hear on the outside, and they're not barking much.
Well, that and the neighbor have already said, you know, this is the side of the park where everybody has dogs.
Yeah, here.
So if they do bark, don't worry about it. It's not going to bother anybody. He's here all the time, and he said that people don't get. People don't get.
In this park, yeah. But my main concern was just in general, in RV parks in general. But the dogs are doing good with it. They're not barking much. You know, no more than a typical dog would bark every now and again. And then leaving them out the crate yesterday was a big.
That was good because we left about 9:30ish, and we didn't get back till almost 5.
Yeah. So they had their underwear on, and they done great. So that makes me happy because I hate crating our dogs. We don't like to crate our dogs. So our goal is to get rid of the crate eventually. Our goal is to have
that whole big kitchen area in the house.
Right. So we're hoping that they get used to being in the RV and not tear anything up, mess anything up, and we can get rid of the crate. For 2 reasons. That'll keep our dogs out of crates, which is the main goal. And 2, it's going to open up some more floor space.
Yeah, because there was that one day where Gadget got in the trash, and we say it was Gadget. It could have been both of them.
Could have been. Yeah. But yeah, so the dogs are doing great. I think we're going to be able to get rid of the crate. I think everything's going to be good there. So far so good. I mean, we're enjoying it. Even, you know, we had our troubles, but even through the troubles, I'm still enjoying it. So I mean, we never really got Well, we got stressed out a little bit. Well, you got stressed out a lot. But it takes...
Full-blown meltdown, I think, is very stressed.
Yeah. But things don't bother me as much. I just kind of take it with a grain of salt and go with it.
I just don't see how when your roof blows off you can be so calm.
Well, I mean, you know, it doesn't do any good to stress out. It's not gonna...
Lucky for me, nobody was filming when I had my meltdown.
I thought about it. but I wouldn't do that to her. I do have some embarrassing footage though that I will probably put out there.
You put that out there and you will no longer breathe.
It's coming out. But other than that, you got anything else?
No.
No? Alright guys, we just wanted to shoot a quick update, kind of let you know where we stand and what you can expect coming up. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell if you want notifications. And Kansas City video will be coming up, so just remember that's about 2 weeks ago, but that's going to be coming up next. And then we'll start our South Dakota adventures and we'll get those videos coming to you. And we got an RV kitchen coming up right around the corner.
Don't know what we're going to cook, but we got one coming.
We got one coming. Y'all take care.